Stop guessing. Today I will show you how to configure and test your IKE post in Mastercam. To set up your IKE post in Mastercam, you only need to drag and drop TOR file in Mastercam workspace. A message dialog displays and tells you that file extraction was successfully done. Go to your machine definition management and you will see your post on the list depending on what you choose to install. Now we will test the post processor and we will verify our G-code. We create a random program for drilling using a random point, and we configure our program. Now, we generate the G-code of our program to verify the syntax. Congratulations, the post-processing was done successfully, the syntax is correct, and now you can generate your G-code without problem. Thanks for watching and see you next time.